So there is no negative marking. So even if you have missed the answer from the audio recording, do not worry and just trust your instincts and write the answer which you think will be correct. Hey guys, and welcome back to the part 3 of the IELTS preparation series. And if you haven't checked out the previous 2 parts where I have talked about IELTS reading and as well as IELTS writing section, go check them out. I am putting the link in the description below. And this is part 3 of the IELTS preparation series. In this part, we will be talking about how you can master your listening section. So if you haven't subscribed the channel, consider subscribing the channel if you like the content, and let us start the video. So the number one tip which I can give right now is that a recording will be placed only once. So you have to multitask, right? You have to be on your toes, and you have to listen to the audio recording carefully, because you will not be able to listen to the audio recording again and again. So pay attention and also multitask at the same time. If you hear a word, if you know that this is the answer, write it down. Number two is always write your answer with a pencil, not a pen, because you will not be able to change your answer afterwards. So always use a pencil, and they will be giving you all the necessary resources, for example pencil as well as an eraser at the center only. So do not worry about that, but do not use a pen ever. Number 3 tip is you have to understand how you are graded. For example, if I am writing an answer and it is correct, I will be giving positive points, but if my answer is wrong, I will not be given any negative points. So there is no negative marking. So even if you have missed the answer from the audio recording, do not worry and just trust your instincts and write the answer which you think will be correct. So do not leave any blank. Number 4 is IELTS recommend that you write the answers in all capital letters, but it is not necessary. I wrote my answers in small case letters, but you can also write your answers in lowercase or uppercase characters. That will not be an issue. But the main advice which they give is write your answers in uppercase. But this is not a recommendation. It is your choice. You can either write the lowercase or the uppercase characters. Number 5 tip is read the instructions carefully. For example, if the question says that no more than 2 words, then for example you are thinking that this answer must be 1 word or this answer must be 3 words. But if they are saying that no more than 2 words, so you have to write only 2 words or 1 word here. You cannot write 3 words here. If you write 3 words here, your answer will be wrong, and you will not get positive points for that. So always check the instructions carefully. Following on the previous tip, how you calculate is the number 6 tip. For example, if I write a date here, for example 1950, this will be 1 word, and if the 2 words are hyphenated, these will be counted as 1 word only. And if they are not hyphenated, for example I can say sports shoes, which are not hyphenated, so these will be 2 words, but the date is counted as only 1 word. Number 6 tip is spelling. So do not worry about when you have to listen to the audio recording and transfer your answers here. Only check the spelling when you have transferred your answers and you are finalizing that okay, this will be the answer here. When you are listening to the recording, just give a rough overview that okay, for example dog might be the answer or any other word might be the answer. And when you are finalizing, they give you time after the audio recording to finalize your answers. So when you are finalizing the answers, so always check the spellings, because even if a small letter is displaced here and there, you will not get the marks. The number 8 tip which I can give you right now is do not listen to everything IELTS throws at you. For example, when I was giving my test, so I was listening to a recording where 2 people were talking, and they were talking how can I get in contact with you and this and that, and the other person replied that okay, this is my number, and you will write down the number, right? You hear the number and you write down the number, but this is not the answer. Here is what IELTS play the trick on you. Then after you write the number, they will change the sentence. They will say that oh no, this number is not active, I have another number which is active, please contact me on that. So that is why I told you not to use a pen but use a pencil, so that you can erase your answer and write the new number which the 2 persons are talking. So always focus on what you have to write here. They will throw all sorts of information on you, but always focus on the answer. Number 9 tip is do not panic. Even if you miss an answer right here, do not panic, because there are a lot of chances here. And for example, you have a lot of blanks, and from the 10 blanks you do not know the answer of one blank. So do not panic here. You know the answers of the 9 blank, and you have done well in them. So if one or two blanks miss out, like chill, take a deep breath. The last tip I can give you right now is always listen to the instructions. For example, if I am given a question and ABC are, for example, spring, winter and summer, and like they tell you that you have to write a letter against the answer. You do not and if you think that okay, B is the answer, which is summer, do not write summer in them, because the question specifically asked you that you have to write a letter against the answer. So the answer will be B, not summer. So always like look for instructions and focus on them. And because 30 minutes is like a quick time, but you have to concentrate the whole 30 minutes, because even if you miss a single like second, you will lose points. So this is it for the video, guys, and this was the part 3 of the IELTS preparation series, and this was focused solely on the IELTS listening part. And if you haven't watched the previous 2 parts, I will be linking the link in the description below. And if you have any doubts, you can feel free to contact me on any social media handles. I'll be very happy to help. And if you like have any other questions or need a free resources or free ebook, my Master Your IELTS ebook is available on the Amazon KDP platform, and it is absolutely free, so go check it out. I have basically told many things, for example, structure of IELTS, the tips and tricks which I am giving you right now. These are all in a PDF format, so go check it out, and it is absolutely free. It does not cost you anything, and let me know in the comment section how you find it. So the next part of the series is coming next, and this will be the part 4, which will focus solely on how you speak. So there is a speaking section in the IELTS also, and I will be uploading the next part 4 soon. So stay tuned. और इस वीडियो के लिए इतना ही, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. बाय बाय.
So you wanna be my enemy? You should've known I'd never kiss the rain. Ice runs in